Hey guys, welcome to another video for simonsvideo.com, and my name is Simon Hey. As you know, the Wuhan 2019 NCOV nCoV coronavirus is spreading globally, and during the SARS periods in the past, the whole building are easily infected by indirect infection. For those people who touch the buttons of the lift, go across the traffic junction, pressing the button to wait for the traffic light to turn red. Those buttons, if touched by an infected person or cough on by an infected person, will have like a few hours of infection when there is a large traffic of people going up and down the lift, like in the peak hours. It could be very possible to get indirectly infected if your dirty hands go and touch your eyes, nose, and mouth. So this little DIY gadget is to help you prevent infection that way. So what you do is you press on the button using this little gadget, the little wire area, and then use the flame to disinfect and destroy the virus at least 3 seconds. Okay, here's the items that you required. A lighter, obviously, any lighter, a duct tape, two paper clips. This one is the 8 mm Alama wire, optional, plier to bend the paper clip. The first paper clip is to bend to go over the lighter so that you can use this paper clip wire to touch on the surfaces that you have to press on indirectly. Uh, Obviously, try to put over the flames so that the flame can help disinfect, but be very careful when you burn the wire. Try not to touch it because it's very hot. The bottom is optional, is for the lanyard. If you do not want to do this step, it's possible to don't do it. You can just simply put in your pocket. But for people who do not have a pocket or find it always forgetting to use it, putting a lanyard is much more ideal to remember to use this to touch the leaf and then disinfect the wire using the flame. Okay, so the next step is to use the duct tape and then put them into the position that you desired, like over the flame. The bottom part, try not to cover the nozzle or the valve that refill the lighter when the lighter fluid, the butane gas is used up, so that you can reuse this again and again. Just make sure you position the paper clip over the flame. If it's not over the flame, you can use your finger and push it forward a little bit before you press the lighter. Then use the duct tape to cover it up. This whole project takes about 5 minutes plus minus, so why not give it a try and prevent your whole family from getting indirect infection. Other than that, remember to keep washing your hands and avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with dirty hands. I personally wear a goggles, a protective glass to prevent the hands from touching the eyes involuntarily. So it's best to get a hand sanitizer as well. Well, basically that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching Simon's video. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.